Sir, napakarami paggagamitan ng boses. Nagulat na lang ako when I created this program called Certified Voice Artist Program, before they pay 10,000 pesos. Now, what I did is, sabi ko, just to help them, ginawa ko na ng 5,000. 15 years, sir, hindi ako nagtaas, nagbawas pa ako. Bakit ka mo naging 5,000 na lang? Kasi sir, naniniwala ako, sabi ko, aanihin mo ang isang sundalo kung wala naman siyang sandata. So sabi ko, you have to buy your own microphone. So I'm giving you a discount of 50%, not just a discount. I'm giving you it because you have to buy your own microphone. Because you have to use it during the training. So as of now, we are doing batch 6 na sir, and we have more than 300 graduates, and we have more than 250 certified voice artists in the world now. Even mga Amerikano, sir, nagugulat ako, nag-training sa akin. Sabi ko, aba, world class naman. So, napa-English lang naman tayo doon. Yun lang, dumugo yung ilong natin. But the good thing about it is, when they heard this program called Certified Voice Artist Program, they feel more valuable, no? Kasi dati, voice talent lang ang tingin sa kanila. Masyadong, parang ay, voice talent, voice talent. I call them voice artists. Kasi the voice talent do voice over work for money. But a voice artist do voice-over work for passion, for the art, for the craft. So money follows. So yun yung isa sa mga factor and principle na tinuturo ko sa kanila. Don't make money as your motivation. Okay? Because if you make it as a motivation, you will never be happy and you will never last dito sa voice acting artistry or industry. So yun nga sir. And out of 250 certified, there are like hundreds are already working. Literally, may mga nag-quit na sa work nila and they focus in the voice acting craft and yung kanilang career. Kasi sobrang dami ngayon mga requirements around the world. Either it's in English or Filipino or even different languages. Especially, we are doing a lot of localized and Tagalized program online. Kasi dati, puro TV lang eh. Ngayon, mas marami ng platform. Mas malaki na yung opportunity.
But Choi, what requirements are